dope, get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no stop. You are.
Hey exclusive baddies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be turning a one piece into a dress that I got from $5 at Dollar General. Random find because I was in there for tissue and for toilet paper, and then I seen a tie-dye like dress and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get this, I can DIY something. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. So I turned it into a two-piece, a biker shorts and a crop t-shirt. You'll be able to see like the rest of the outfit when I show like me doing it, but it's kind of easy actually. Like but the thing you do need is a sewing machine. So that is like the thing with this look. It's super easy because I literally just cut it up and basically sewed it back together. That's it. Literally cut it in different sections and then sewed it back together, and then just turned the bottom half into shorts. So yeah, if you want to see this look and how I created this outfit, please stay tuned into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Bye, see you later. Hey exclusive baddies, so I'm just gonna show y'all how this dress look. It's not that bad, it just needs to be fitted, but you know, we're gonna flip this to something different. So right now I'm just cutting the dress up. I'm cutting it in thirds, and then I'm gonna cut the top in half, and basically all I'm doing is just cutting it up. I'm just cutting it up, trying to figure out what what thread I want to use in each section. And like the skirt, I'm gonna cut that in threes, you know, just trying to figure out how I want to have it together. Originally I was just gonna sew it all together and make it a new skirt, but yeah, I changed it up. So I'm using these three colors to do that. And so I have it on, I have the thread, well, I have the stitch on 11. Well, if you have different machine, just put it on a zigzag stitch. This is very stretchy fabric. I'm so happy I found this fabric. It's very stretchy as well, so it's super great. So I'm just putting the insides together because, you know, usually you sew the insides together. You sew the outsides together so that the insides, you know, so it's a nice seam, it's a nice line, and you don't see the thread. But we want the thread to show, so we're going to sew it on the right sides. So right now I'm just lining everything up. You could use some pins so it's all, you know, together. You won't have any accidents. But this style is so like, it's so freehand that it doesn't even need to be perfect. So right now I'm just stretching the fabric out as I sew it. Stretch it as you sew it so that it creates like a lettuce hem. A lettuce hem is like when it's all wavy and stuff. So when you're stretching it on the zigzag stitch, when you're stitching it up and stretching it as well, it's gonna create like a texture, like little waves and stuff on it. So yeah, basically I'm gonna be doing that throughout the whole entire piece, putting it back together. That's how I'm gonna be doing it, is putting the right sides outward and sewing it together. So that means the bad sides are kissing each other. So when they're kissing each other, then you just sew it up. So basically I'm sewing the back now. So, you know, if you can see from the video, it's the nice sides on the outside, and I'm just putting in my thread, putting in my sewing machine, and I'm stretching it as I'm sewing it up. End up doing the sides, the sleeves, and then the front and the back. So I'm just gonna lay it out. I'm gonna do the neck, but I think I want to do like orange or so far. This is how it's looking, and then now I'm about to go with the other thread, the orange one, and I'm gonna connect this together. Zoom in so you can see. So I feel like the thread is not really showing that much. But you can see it, you can still tell that I like cut, it's like in different sections. So I'm going with the orange thread right here. I think I might cut sections from the front out, like, so I can sew it back up with that orange thread. So I'm gonna do this, and I'll probably just do the collar. I low-key wanna do these, but I don't want it to be overwhelming. We'll see how it looks. So you see I added the line here, right here, and now I'm gonna do the, so this is the bottom of the dress. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sew these in yellow, highlighter yellow, and then once I do that, like sew these together, then I can attach this. You see? Yeah. So like once I sew those green, then I can attach another orange. Then I'll do the collar. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut that shorter. And I might add a little draw thing so it can scrunch up on the sides, on both sides. And yeah, we'll be done. So as you can see, I added the green, that green like super, it pops. So this is where I ended up deciding that I wanted to make this into a two-piece. So I end up cutting out the waistband from the elastic. From the elastic, I did the waistband, and I'm just looking at this like, yeah, this needs to be a two-piece, it's fire. So I ended up doing the orange hem at the bottom, because I was supposed to connect the two with the orange hem, but I ended up putting it at the bottom. So right now I'm doing the shorts. So you see how it already kind of looks like shorts? I'm super glad that like everything just worked out. So it already kind of looked like shorts. So all I'm going to do is cut out the crotch area. So I just gonna fold this in half. So I put it the way like it would look as a skirt, because I like the lines, they were already there, so I wouldn't have to actually sew lines. So I'm just gonna cut out this curved part where the leg goes, the crotch is. So fold it in half. I do have a similar, like the way I'm doing this is similar to when I did the mesh bell bottom. So basically do the same thing. So I'm just using some chalk, doing that little cutting out corners, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And I'm cut out the bottom because I felt like it was a little long, which I kind of regret. I should have kept it a little bit longer, because I do like biker shirts, but I like them to be a little bit longer, not like super short, which they end up turning out. So it wasn't as high-waisted as I wanted. You see how small that crotch is? I kind of wish it was longer. So right now you're just going to sew up that middle crotch, and I did all the edges and everything to finish it. Added the waistband in there and frillied off the end. So now I'm just figuring out what shades I'm gonna wear, because now I'm about to do my montage. I'm about to style it up for y'all, and y'all gonna see how fat this is. But yep, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
They come trying to beef with niggas. Yeah, feds to the left. Yeah, they posted they see it, nigga. What else? Told my little bitch she got it, cause she don't need a nigga. Bread and cheese all in my pocket like a pizzeria, nigga. Lil' Rock come hot and ready, sound like La Caesar, nigga. Let's go. And I'm shitting on her ex, I'm her diarrhea, nigga. Let's go. Yeah, they can't see it, nigga. I feel like John Cena, nigga. If I said it, then I meant it. I ain't gonna even repeat it, nigga. Bro, no busting down that thigh, so I wanna be here, nigga. Damn. I got drill, I got sauce, bitch, I'm up now. Whoa. Call a bruh, phone, tell him I need another pound. Fuck being next up, bitch, we want it now. If you talking all that shit, we'll come take you down. Ever seen your situation turn around? Man, this shit way too solid, cause we built it from the ground. Gotta watch some niggas smiles turn to frowns. They don't like it when you getting guap, you gotta move